Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to enable built-in GPS on Fitbit Charge. So let's get started with the straight and easy step-by-step guide. So the first thing to do, which is your step one, is to open the Fitbit app. So to do this, launch the Fitbit app on your iPhone or Android device, and ensure your Charge is connected to Bluetooth. Then on the step 2, you have to go to your device settings. So tap your profile icon, which is at the top left corner, then select your chassis from the device list. Then on step 3, you have to turn on the GPS settings. So scroll down and tap GPS settings just to get to the GPS settings. Then on step 4, you have to select built-in GPS. So to do this, you will see two options, so which is phone GPS and built-in GPS. So you have to select built-in GPS from the two options. Then the step 5 is to sync and apply the changes. So return to the main screen and sync your device to ensure settings are updated. Then on the step 6, start a GPS enable workout. So on your chart 6, swipe to exercise and choose a workout like a run or bike. Then it will now use the built-in GPS without needing your phone GPS. And that's how you can simply enable built-in GPS on Fitbit Charge 6. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.